Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Amir here, and you are watching Fiasco Trader. Okay, so this is Finity chart. Okay, so there is an opportunity I'm looking here. Okay, so but there are some certain conditions here that not yet met yet. So I will have to wait for that conditions to be met. Then I will place my trade here. Okay, so let's wait for that conditions. Then we will enter a position. Okay, the conditions which I'm expecting looks like it was formed. Okay, so my condition was the current running candle, which is in spot chart 15 minute, that's needed to be closed as a red candle. Okay, then I'll place my trade here. So that was my conditions, and looks like it was going to close like a weak red candle. And as you can see, this is the option chart, and you can see a very strong momentum candle was forming here. So this might be a good time to take in a position. Okay, so I'm planning for to 145. Okay, so only some 20 seconds remaining for the candle closure. So I place my trade. If it is filled, then it's fine. Okay, so let's see. And as you can see, very strong candle it was forming, and it was touches 148. So I'm not sure, it might came for 145. Okay, so candle is closes. It was closed as a weak red candle, what I'm expecting. So it was so as I have previously planned. So now I'm going to take in a position here. Okay, so as you can see, I already placed my order here at 145, but I don't think market will reach that to fill my order. So I'm planning for to place a bit above, like 146 would be fine. Okay, so I'm okay, let's place at 46. So let's see whether our order is filled or not. Okay, so as you can see, I placed my order here. Let's see whether our order is filled or not. Okay, so let's go to the 5 minute chart. 5 minute is good. After the engulfing candle, we got a retracement candle. So as you can see, our order is filled here. Okay, so we planned in advance, and we didn't take trade in rush. Okay, so we planned initially something, then we'll wait for our conditions to be made, then I was taking entry here. Okay, so as you can see, market is started its movement from 146 to 148.50. Okay, so now it's time for to place our stop losses and target. Okay, so this is a kind of setup in which if I'm not going to give like more target. I'm considering with the very low stop losses. Okay, so if by any chances my stop losses will be hit, then the market will be completely reversed. Okay, so this is a kind of setup that I usually trade with this kind of setups. Okay, so I'm planning for our entry was exactly at 146. So I'm planning for to give stop losses around. Okay, so 130, yeah, 138 will be good. Okay, 140 is the low it was market make. But if I for 2 rupees I was given as a, what do you call it, yeah, whatever it is, I'm just planning for to give my stop losses at 138.50. that would be nice. Okay, so yeah, I'm just, let's place our stop losses, then we'll have to wait and watch. Okay, so only some seconds remaining for the candle closer, and as you can see, we already getting around 500 profits currently 400. Okay, but there is some problem here. If here is a trend line resistance, if the market is able to close above this level, then we might see some momentum. But at the same time, if it is close below this level, we might see the market came down. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it was close exactly at this level, so we can't say anything about it. Currently it was moving, but there is some chances that it might came down. Okay, so yeah, let's see what happens. Okay. So only some seconds is remaining for this candle closure. As I have said, market was taken trend line as a resistance. It was came down, but I'm expecting a much, if it was a weak candle, like some rejection from this. If you see some rejection in this current running candle, then there is chances that it might goes up. But currently it was formed an engulfing candle, so chances is not that much high. I don't have any confidence in this trade. The reason I'm staying in this position is Nifty. Okay, so if I go to the Nifty chart right now, I can show you that why I'm staying in this position. Because okay, so here is the Nifty chart. As you can see, Nifty is given a breakout. After the breakout, we got a retracement candle. So this is the only reason I'm holding this position. Okay, so because of that, we might see some movement after that engulfing candle. Okay, so yeah, let's see what happens. Okay. So from the losses, finally we getting some profits. Okay, so still, if this current running candle is closes below this trend line, we might again see some, you know. But at the same time, if it is break above this level, then we can reach our target easily. At the same time, if it is closes below this level, again there is chances that market will came down. Okay, so currently we are getting 500 profits. So I'm planning for around 800 to 1000 rupees of profits, which is roughly around uh, 20 to 25 points. Okay, so in this particular trade my risk is 7.5 7.5 and my reward is 20 to 25 points. So at least I will be holding for that. Okay, so only 1 minute remaining, guys, for the candle closer. So if this candle closes, then I might hold this position. Okay, But at the same time, if the candle is closed below this level, then I will be close my position manually, or I can trail my stop losses to break even. So these are the two things I am going to do. Currently I was getting 650, which is decent profits. My risk is okay, so now I'm getting 750. I'm planning for a close my position, but still there is some room there to be reached. Okay, the profits I was getting was very good. So currently now I am close my stop loss order, cancel mine. So I'm planning for to book my profits. Okay, looks like we will have a breakout. Still 40 seconds remaining. If the breakout happens, then we can reach our target easily. Still, if I was getting 800, more than 800, I will be exiting my trade here. Okay, so at least I get a 20 points minimum for profit. Okay, so market was clearly rejecting. Okay, but if it is close above this level, then we might have a chance. Okay, okay, still we are getting in 5 minutes option chart. It was not looking good, guys. It was a huge rejection and doji type kind of candle, which is a reversal sign. But as I have said on the spot chart, it was close above the trend line, so I am going to hold these positions. Okay, so if it is close below this level, then I will be taking whatever the profits I am getting, and I simply close my position manually. But as I have said something, I was planned something before, so I'm going to follow my plan, so I'll have to hold my positions. Okay, at the same time, if it is reverse, then I will simply exit at a break even. Okay, so this is my plan. I have to follow it no matter what, even I have to lose my profits. Okay, so if it is reverse, I will simply exit at a break even price, because if the market is currently came down, then there is no chances that it might goes up, so we might see a momentum towards downside. Okay, so yeah, this is my plan. Okay guys, so let's see where it goes, then I will be thinking of some other things. Okay, prices came down. Okay, if we got some rejections, then we can see some momentum to upside. Okay, so candle was very strong, bearish candle was forming an option chart. Our profits goes from 750 to currently was getting 250, 500 of profits was completely wiped. Okay, so let's wait guys what happens. I'm not sure what this trade is going to have, because market is, if you look at the option chart, it was completely sideways, become like market is not that moving. It was moving in between the box from last 1 hour or something. Okay, so yeah, I already placed my trade stop losses at a break even price. So if the market is touches that price, I will simply exiting at 146. Okay, okay, so as I'm expected that market after the breakout, market may move upside, but it was not happened. And if you look at the option chart, it was formed on bearish engulfing candle, so very, and also the candle is very, looks very strong, so very little chances that price might goes up, but very high chances, most probably our stop loss will be hit, which is at break even. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, our stop loss is hit. We exited at no profit, no loss. Okay, so in this particular trade, my risk was, initially I was risking about 7.5 rupees. Okay, by risking 7.5 rupees, how much I was getting? So I was getting around 18 points. Okay, so it was nearly around 2.5 hour, which is great profit. but as you can see, my profit target was bit higher. I'm expecting 20 to 25 points of target. Okay, so that is the reason I didn't book the profit of 750 or 700 like that. Okay, so this is the thing, I already pre-planned everything. If the market came down, I will simply exit it at break even. I didn't take any decision emotionally or something like that. So if you look at the Nifty chart, Nifty is already reached its target, then it was reversing. Right now it almost reaches its target, that's why the movement you are seeing here. In Nifty also reversal. Okay guys, so now it's time to tell you why I was considering this trade. And first let's talk about where we are taking entry. So we are taking entry on this candle. Again market goes, so we are exited on this particular candle. Right, on this candle my trade, my stop losses was hit at break even. Okay, so let me tell you the reason why I was considering this trade. So I was looking this trade because of this particular level. So if you look this level very carefully, this level was a very good level. Market was respecting this level. When the market reaches this level, it came down. Same thing, it holds the market very well. Okay, so finally when the market opened here, it from here is the place where the market opens. Market goes up again, it found some sellers, again market came back, finally broke below this level, again it came back. So finally reaches this particular support level, and here is also we got a trend line. Okay, so for trend line, this is a starting of the trend line. First touch, again it's second touch. So most probably I should take entry on this particular candle for this target minimum. Okay, but anyhow I missed this move. Okay, this move I missed. So that's why I thought if the market came for a retracement, I should place a trade here for at least this target. So this is the main reason behind my trade. Okay, I simply just followed my plan and act according to it. This is the good day for me because I simply did not take any decision rationally or something like that. So I just simply follow my trading plan, and I didn't get my profit. So that's absolutely fine. We will find another day for it. There will be a lot of opportunities in the upcoming days, so don't need you to worry about anything. Okay, so what have we learned from today's trading sessions? So the first thing we learned is that always follow your trading plan, and second, and always lock your profits. Even if you are, especially if you are getting more than 2 hours, then always try to lock your profits. Okay, so these are the two things that I have learned today. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and if you find this little bit helpful, so please consider like this video and consider to subscribe my channel. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.